game is loading up. She takes my money. Well, I'm in deep. Oh. So I go to do the sprint race at Coda. It's a wet race, but I cannot select wet tires. They're not even available. Even when I go to apply my wet setup, which has soft wet tires, it just applies two soft dry tires, two soft slicks. I've now restarted the game multiple times. As you can see, the sprint race is wet.
Welcome back, everyone. We're here again for this Saturday's main event, the sprint race. The duration is half the time of tomorrow's race. This is the moment for full concentration when eyes are fixed on the first turn and the riders are going over the circuit in
Dries.
lines.
Now, if I go here to load, wet track, which has soft, wet tires applied to it. I can't even select. So if I do recommended setup, which should be wets, but if I go into my other changes, which is my ECU, it should be 3 and 2, which it is. It's 3 and 2. I guess I just try to race this shit.